If you've been arrested for a DUI, it is imperative that you contact an attorney immediately while exercising your right to remain silent and get the appropriate representation so you can ensure that your rights are protected. If you're ever pulled over for a DUI, make sure you understand whether the officer is giving you commands or suggestions, and you may do so by requesting, is it a command or a request? Where have you been? Who were you hanging out with, etc.? Whether you had something to drink. Those are questions that you may exercise your right not to answer. Commands you would have to follow. It's best to be respectful to the officer, as that can come back in the long run, but you have the right to not have to answer questions that an officer may be asking. The most common punishment with respect to DUIs is revocation of your license. Generally 6 months for the first offense, depending on the circumstances, including your blood alcohol content level. An attorney can help you fight a DUI charge by making sure the cops followed what they're supposed to do. There can be a suppression hearing. Some of the evidence that they've gathered that they plan to use to prosecute against you may not be constitutional under the law. So it's very important to have an attorney to be able to assess the situation, whether the officers followed your constitutional rights to ensure that they have reasonable evidence to proceed with this matter. If you're ever arrested for DUI, it is important that you get representation. Please contact Husker Law, as we have attorneys on standby that are willing to help you and at least give you a free case evaluation.